Hello friends, so in this tutorial we are going to learn creating animated arrows using After Effects. So create animated arrows like this. First you'll start with a new composition. Now create a new solid layer of any color. For this tutorial I am using a black solid layer. On top of that solid layer, create a shape using pen tool, the way you want your arrows to be moved on screen. Next, create a shape layer. Add polystar and change the points to 3. I am using this shape layer to create a triangle, which is my arrowhead. You can create arrowhead of your choice on your own. You can put any color. Next, change the scale according to your requirement. And using the span behind tool, change the center of the pivot to one of the edge. Next, select the solid layer on which you created the mask path. Open the mask parameters. You can find an option called mask path. Select it and copy the value. Then select the shape layer. Open the transform parameters and select position and apply the value to this using paste. Now you can find you got so many keyframes, and here you can use the start or end to adjust your timing for the arrows animation. Now if you observe, arrows are not rotating in the same way of your path. Go to transform, auto orient, take this option orient along path and hit OK. Now you need to adjust the rotation. Done. Now just play and check. See, you got your arrowhead moving the same way you want. Now we look to create the path for the arrow. Select the solid layer, go to effect, generate stroke. Select the brush size to increase the thickness of the arrow. Select color. Next we have start and end. So end is 100%, put that to 0. Now go to end of the animation and increase the value to 100. You got your arrow. Play and check. So like this you can create number of arrows in different shapes and different sizes and with a different animation in After Effects without using any third-party plugin. Now you can change color of that arrowhead at any point. If you want, you can animate it too. To add the taper effect for the edges of your stroke, select the solid layer and distort. Have an option liquify, and in liquify you have so many tools. In that, select pucker tool and draw along the edges of your mask path to reduce the edge thickness, like this. Now check. This is how you got animated arrows in After Effects. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe for more videos.